Hello my friends, it's Shayla and welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things spirituality, locks, what's going on in my life and all that jazz. But today we are talking about my locks. I have not did a follow-up video in a hot ass minute. So here I am. Can you guys believe that it's legit been 3 months already? Actually 3.5 months since Locks were installed. So I just want to let you guys know what's going on with them. Oh, why did my camera get bright? Camera got a little dark. That was weird. But my locks feel amazing. I think they look amazing. Let me give you guys a spin. Okay, gotta use my foot. My chair failed me. But yeah, I feel like they look good. It's almost time for another retie, and I think about 3 weeks. I think 3 weeks. But I feel like they're looking good. These locks, they're a little dirty. This is probably gonna end up being a 2-part video because I really need to wash my hair tomorrow or Sunday. And we'll see. We'll see what it's looking like then. But yeah, y'all, I've got see that? It's just anyway, that's like edge control, but it's like getting all white and cakey. But I would like to point out that my edges are growing. Ain't nobody stressing me out. My edges are looking good. Nobody is stressing me out. This side is still a little in need of prayer, but we're gonna make it, okay? So yeah, it's been 3.5 months. And I'm really feeling like they're settling in. There's some locks, I couldn't be able to find them in this video, that are looking like they want to bud. And I'm just like, what? I don't know, maybe it's in my head. But they're definitely laying down very nicely. I recently, a week and a half ago, went to Mexico and I let rain get in my hair, and I got in the cenotes, and my hair got wet. I did put my hair in 2 French braids prior to getting in the water, just in case. But they did fine. Actually, I feel like my hair looks and feels better after being in Mexico, and it's probably the humidity there as well, which contributes to that. I did get a new product that I'm putting in my hair. I don't know if it's good, bad, or indifferent. That's my pizza. Un momento, por favor. Okay, this video is for sure about to be short now because I'm hungry. But yeah, so I just started using this product. It's Jamaican mango and lime island oil. It's got moringa seed oil, manuka honey. It says it's for locks. I don't know. I just been putting it in my hair for probably I did once last week and then once this week. And my hair doesn't need a whole lot of oil since my scalp does its thing. It doesn't really need a whole lot. I really just put this whenever I do have a little itchy spot. And yeah, it seems to be fine. It's not leaving greasiness. My face is not breaking out from the oil, which gotta be thankful for that because that has happened. I'm still using the tonic, which in one of my other videos I have a link to WestIndieRay's video where I got this recipe from. But basically it is rose water. I have a little bit of rose water, spring water, and aloe vera, and then 2 different essential oils. Her recipe is, you go to that, don't listen to me. But yeah, I spray that on my hair once a day is pretty much what I've been doing. And just talking nice to my locks. And it has slowed down from what I've probably reported in the last couple of videos. And my hair is growing. We got a lot of black, lots of black roots, especially, let me show you guys on this side, baby. Lots of black roots over here. I think it's that side. Maybe it's this side. No, I think it's that side. But yeah, so Not too, like I said, not too much to report. They're looking good. I did do my last retie myself, and I think it did pretty good. I only messed up 2 of my locks. Some kind of way I ended up combining them at the root. I don't know how I plan to fix it, or if I'm just gonna be a Libra and act like everything's fine, because it is. And yeah, other than that, like, all of them look really good. I do have one that I don't know what's gonna happen with it. Where is it at? It's like holding on, y'all. It's like barely holding on. I don't know if I can find it. Is it this one? I think, yeah, like it's like slid way down here. Tuck and roll, keep going. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I just try to cover it up, and it doesn't really stand out that much. I'm trying to think of something else to tell y'all, but that's all I got, baby. I will come back and let you guys see what my hair looks like after I wash it. Oh, I know another thing. I don't think that I'm gonna dye my hair. And I say this in every video because I was like crying my little ass off about not wanting blonde, but I don't know if I could see myself going back black anytime soon. I really like this. I think that if I do color my hair, it'll probably be the color of my real hair, which is kind of like a burnt orangey situation. I don't know. Obviously these are lock extensions because I cut all my hair off. I'll have to show you guys a picture. Actually, I came across it on Snapchat. You know how it shows you your memories. And it was August 10th, 2021. I combed my locks out and my hair was this short, y'all. Nobody saw it. Only my closest friends, because it was cute, but I was like, let's be real. I don't know anything about managing short hair. I was like, beautician friend, come braid me up. And so I wore braids for a year. But yeah, my real hair is growing, and I like that I can kind of gauge like how much it's growing from the time that I got my locks installed, because my roots were whatever this orangey color is, and now they're black and growing. And I'm gonna show you the back of my hair one more time, really, so I can see it, because I don't really do this very often. I literally, y'all, I just get up and go. Like, I put my hair in a ponytail, a high ponytail, a low ponytail, and I just be going about my business. So, but I feel like it's growing. Again, like the bright blonde are my lock extensions. And yeah. That grid pattern though, that grid pattern still looks good, right? But yeah, that's all I got. I will see you guys, I guess, in my continuation of this video after I wash my dirty head. It has literally been, I think it's been like 3 weeks. Don't judge me. I've been on vacation, okay? That's really not a good excuse. I've just been enjoying life and letting my hair have its natural oils to surface. Yeah, whatever. Okay, I'm back. So my hair is washed finally. It only took me about 4 days to actually wash my hair, but my scalp feels so good and clean. Just like I put in my last like wash routine video, I just like put my hair in, I think like 6 or 8 little loose braids, banded it at the end, and then while my hair is drying, I'll show you the back. Like while my hair is drying, I just got it like in this kind of situation. Whoa. Yeah, so just nothing too fancy. I'm at work, so I have meetings sometimes on Zoom and didn't want to look too crazy. But yeah, so I washed my hair about 4.5 hours ago. It's still damp. It's probably gonna still be wet for another 4 or 5 hours. I wanna say the last time that I washed my hair, it literally took like all day. So probably like 10 or 11 hours for my hair to dry. I've kept the little braids in for, like I said, like 4.5 hours. I will probably take them out in a couple of hours just so my hair can have more air to it. But until I get off work, this is what I'm doing. But yeah, my scalp is clean. I like when my locks are wet because they're more flexible, which is also highly recommended from what I see. Like when you're getting ready to retighten your locks, that you need to have it wet so that way your hair is more flexible, bendable, and it's just easier to get the lock through each pass. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, you guys. I think in about 2 more weeks it'll be time for me to do another retie, which I plan on doing myself again. And I'm just really happy. Can't believe it's already like really pushing 4 months. It seems like it's only been like 6 weeks since I got my locks, but they're definitely growing on me, and I will show you guys what my hair looks like once I finally take it down and it's all dry, which will probably be tomorrow. I'm just gonna put a few drops of oil in my hair and then just kind of run my fingers through it. So just adding a little bit of oil to my entire head, but not too much. And here's some pictures of styles that I've been wearing over the last month. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.